Hi, to extend RAM on your Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G, as a first step you need to find and open your settings. And now scroll down to check this tab Additional Settings. After that, what I want you to do is to find this tab Memory Extension. And now you can easily extend RAM. So you can create additional RAM by occupying storage. Therefore, use this feature only when there is enough storage space available on your device. So by default, you would see here 4 gigabytes, but you can extend it to up to 8 gigabytes. If you tap it, you would see that you need to reboot your phone for the changes to be applied. So if you are willing to try this out, choose the right amount and then confirm by tapping this blue button Reboot. Your phone will turn off and just in a few seconds it will turn back on, and you should see check mark near the amount you have selected. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.